It's starting out with Nuwave oven recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up a chicken quesadilla in the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. Going to be putting it on a pizza stone in there and going to make a nice chicken quesadilla out of it. So let's get started now. Alright, so to start I'm just going to get things warmed up before I start putting my chicken quesadilla together. So to start warming that pizza stone up, I just hit this button here to wake the digital air fryer toaster oven up, and I'm going to go down to pizza, and it's at 450 degrees and it's set for 30 minutes because it knows that's how I like things set to get my pizza stone warmed up. Basically I'm just going to let it go through its preheat and then let it count down till it gets to about let's say 10 minutes left, and when it gets down to 10 minutes left, that's when I'll put the quesadilla on. But when it's down to maybe 20 left with about 10 more to go, that's when I'll bring you on back and we can start working on that chicken quesadilla. So I'm going to hit start now to get it started and bring you back. Alright, the digital air fryer has about 12 more minutes before it gets to that 10-minute mark, but I'm going to start putting things together now. I've got some Mission carb balanced tortillas that I'm going to use. One of these tortillas, they are high in fiber. I've got some chicken that I have chopped up here. I've also got, for my sauce, well, I've also got mozzarella cheese. I forgot about the mozzarella cheese. For my sauce, I'm going to be using a combination of ketchup, mayo, paprika, and cayenne pepper. So first thing I'm going to do is just get one of these tortillas out. Set one right there on my pizza peel. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put my sauce together. I don't really track amounts when I make this quesadilla sauce. I just kind of put it all in and mix it up, and it just looks good. So just going to mix in some mayo, ketchup, paprika, and cayenne pepper. I do apologize for the cooker making some noise. I know it's a little loud, but like I said in a review of it, it's not as bad as the Power Air Fryer oven line, although it's not as soft as the Nuwave Bravo is. Nuwave Bravo is the softest of them all when it comes to fan noise. I'm going to just take some paprika and shake it on in there. And you really just gotta, do these to where you think you would like it for your preference of spiciness and such. Now I'm getting some cayenne pepper in there. And I'm just going to take and mix those all up. Alright, now I'm going to take my quesadilla sauce and just put it all over the tortilla shell here. Alright, now I'm going to take my cheese, put some cheese all in there. Alright, now I'm going to take the chicken, put some chicken in there. Alright, got it all in there. Now I'm just going to fold it all over. Nice fat quesadilla there. Alright, so it's all set. Just going to wait for things to get down to 10 minutes there so that I know my stone is really nice and hot. And then we'll get that chicken quesadilla onto the pizza stone. Alright, we reached 10 minutes, and so go on, try and slide it in here on the pizza stone. It's in there on the stone, and just going to leave it right there and just close it up. Gonna let it run until I think that side's good and done, and then I'll see if maybe I can flip it. Now I've given it a little over a minute on this side. I'm gonna try and flip. Gonna spin things around a little to be able to flip it. You see it? And it's cooking pretty good. So flip it. And I do have enough clearance to flip my quesadilla over there. So just close up. I'm just going to let it continue to cook like this. I'm just going to press the end of it because it's kind of open a little bit, so I just want to press down on it just to keep it nice and closed. That's causing a little bit to squirt out just a little, but it's looking good. Alright, it's gone for almost 3 minutes total, but a little less. So I'm just going to hit stop here, stop it, and I'll just go ahead and use the spatulas to slide it out. There we have our completed chicken quesadilla. Let me see if I can flip to the other side. You can see that other side's well toasted also. So both sides are toasted and the inside is gooey. That's the way we want it. Alright, so I'm going to take and just cut it with my pizza slicer. Just cut some slices. You can hear that crunch as I slice in. Leave a comment if you hear the crunch. Make sure I didn't cut myself there. Get my hand out the way. Alright, so we got it all cut up. Now I'll just go ahead and plate one slice. Give you a good look at that. Now it's time to move the camera around and do a taste test. Alright, taste test of the chicken quesadilla time. Let's go in. It's so good, I want to take more bites, but I'll wait till the camera's off. It tastes good. Tastes real good. I probably could have put a little more paprika in there. I like mine a little spicier even than I made the sauce. But it turns out good. The cooker cooks it great. The Cuisinart digital air fryer, toaster oven with that pizza stone, toast it real nice, and so it came out good. And so this other recipes are at superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you want to get directly to this YouTube channel, you can always use waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram are also Wave Oven Recipes. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.